Hi Taylor, hi Aldo. I spoke with Taylor last week about me shooting this little custom video over for you based on your website and how you can increase that online traffic, etc. My name's Jackie Otwell and I own a digital marketing agency called Maxhouse Marketing. As mentioned, this video is going to be about 5 minutes long and it can really help you incorporating some things yourself onto your website. So first things first, I'm going to go ahead and Google HVAC companies, DFW. This top section right here is the ad section, meaning these people are paying for ads. As you can see, it says it's sponsored. Down here is the Google Map Pack, which if you're not part of that, we would want to go ahead and add you to that. And then this begins the actual ranking. So these top two links are directory links, Yelp and Angie's List. If you're not part of that, we would go ahead and add you to that as well. It's a good source of publicity if you must. But I'm going to go ahead and compare your website to the first independent contractor on here in the organic section, which is Baker Brothers Plumbing. So I'm going to go ahead and go to their website, and the first thing that we're going to talk about is content. So content is any wording or verbiage throughout your website. We are going to focus specifically on the home page. So what I'm going to do first is go ahead and grab all of this content, and I am going to copy and paste it into a word counter. And you can see they have about 1,800 words of content on their homepage. And I am now going to go ahead and do the same thing for your website. So I am going to take all of your content. And you have about 400 words. So Google actually recommends us having about 1,000 to 2,000 words of content on our homepage. Reason being is that this provides 1,000 to 2,000 opportunities for us to populate in Google searches from keywords, etc. I'm going to get into keywords in just a second, but I would say for best practice and purposes to go ahead and add about 1,500 words of content, keyword focused content onto your homepage. So as mentioned, that leads me into the second topic that we're going to cover, which are keywords. So what are keywords? Keywords are essentially these phrases that we stick into Google to pull up websites. So to dive deeper into those, I'm going to take each of your websites and place it into this tool that I use called Ahrefs, which is essentially an online website auditing tool. So I went ahead and put their air conditioning page in here, and you can see they have quite a high traffic value. And I am going to look at their keywords. So first things first, things like gas furnace service near me, HVAC services, heating and air conditioning installation. So those are all nationwide keywords. What this means is that they don't have a location attached. So what that also means is someone in Oregon per se could Google that and possibly populate this website. Is that beneficial to you? Is it going to bring in buyer intent customers? Not necessarily, not unless you plan on hopping on a plane and flying to Oregon and servicing them. So it's not really the kind of traffic we want to generate. We want to generate, buyer intent customers, customers who are looking for that service within your area and who plan on calling your number and paying you for that service. So things like air conditioning repair Dallas, HVAC repair Dallas, AC repair Dallas, those are the kind of keywords we want to look at. So I'm going to go ahead and take a look at your keywords and see what we have. So I see a lot of Wilson, AC repair Rockwall, Garland, Rockwall. So the Rockwall ones are good. I see a lot of Wilsons. So the problem with that is that the only people who are going to search for that are people who already know about you. So we want to bring you in customers who don't know about you and new clients. So we'd go ahead and in that 1,500 words that we would add, we would stick in as many keywords as we can to bring you in some more buyer intent customers. So the third thing that I am going to cover for you are backlinks. What is a backlink? So a backlink is essentially anywhere on the internet that this website is placed. So somewhere throughout the entire internet, this website is placed 84 times. Not all backlinks are created equal. You could see someone with 3,000 backlinks and they're going to be ranked behind this person. What we go for is we go for really high quality Strong powered backlinks, which it looks like what they're doing, going off of how the traffic they're generating, their organic traffic, and the low number that this is, they have to have really strong quality backlinks like we go for. So you have 232. So point being, you can have a higher number and they can outrank you based off of the quality of backlinks that they have. Anyways, I hope that this was informative for you. Of course, incorporate these tips yourself. But as always, please feel free to reach out to me for more information. I would love to, guide you through some stuff and help you out if I can. All of my contact information will be linked in the email below. So I hope to hear from you guys soon. Thanks.